Douala is the vibrant heartbeat and economic powerhouse of Cameroon. From its bustling market and iconic port of Douala to the rich cultural tapestry of its people, the city is a dynamic blend of tradition and modernity. Arriving at the Douala International Airport, even as a citizen or as a tourist, you will just know Douala is built different from other countries. The air and the calmness of the airport hit differently. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, kindly do press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when next I release a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Now back to the video. Let us talk about Douala, my city. The Wouri River is a lifeblood of Douala, flowing gracefully through the city and connecting its rich history with the modern development. Spanning its waters in the iconic Wouri Bridge, a symbol of progress and a vital link for trade and travel in the region. The river banks are alive with activity, from the bustling market to fishermen casting their net, showcasing the deep connection between the river and the livelihood of the people. As a natural and cultural landmark, the Wouri River reflects the soul of Douala, resilient, vibrant, and ever-flowing. Now, Aqua. Aqua, the bustling heart of Douala, is a vibrant district that never seems to rest. Its streets are alive from the hum of activities, from the blaring car horns to the chatters of traders showcasing everything from fresh produce to electronics. Seafood vendors line the sidewalks, offering mouth-watering delights like grillfish, plantains, and puff-puff, filling the air with irresistible aromas. As a melting pot of culture and commerce, Aqua captures the essence of Douala's dynamic spirit, where tradition meets modernity in a lively and ever-evolving rhythm. Here in Aqua, you'll find some of the most beautiful hotels that the city has to offer, such as the Crystal Palace Hotel and the Aqua Palace. You will also find most of the banks in Aqua and also some of the biggest supermarkets that the city has to offer. You will also find most of the travel agencies that do interurban traveling within the nation. The Douala Omnisport Stadium, which stands for a key hub for football passion in Cameroon. The iconic venue has hosted thrilling matches from local league games to international tournaments. Renovated for the 2021 African Cup of Nations, the stadium boasts modern facilities while maintaining its legacy as a symbol of community pride. Whether it is for the roar of the crowd or the raw talent on display, Bepanda Stadium embodies the spirit of Cameroon's love for football. And if you didn't know, Douala is the largest city in Cameroon, located on the Central African coastline along the Gulf of Guinea. As the country's economic and commercial hub, Douala is a bustling metropolis city renowned for its vibrant atmosphere and diverse culture. The city is characterized by its busy port, which serves as a major gateway for international trade, and its lively market, where a variety of goods and produce are traded. Douala is known for its rich cultural heritage, blending traditional Cameroonian custom with a cosmopolitan lifestyle. The city boasts a mix of modern skyscrapers and colonial era architecture, reflecting its historical significance as a trading post. With a thriving art scene, delicious cuisine, and warm hospitality, Douala offers visitors a unique and dynamic experience in the heart of Africa. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, kindly do press the subscribe button at the bottom right, and also click on the notification bell so when next I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Also, do not forget to like and share this video, and why not leave a comment to tell us which city you are watching from in the world. This is Douala, a city you know little about. This is Douala, the economic capital of Cameroon. This is Douala, a city full of love and hustle. This is Douala, an African city in miniature. Drop a comment in the comment section if you would love to visit this beautiful city of Douala.